Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to draw a face. I decided to divide the video in two parts. So the first part I'm showing you how to draw an eye, nose, mouth, eyebrows, and then I'm gonna put it all together to form a face. So the first thing that I do is a line in the top and then another one in the bottom. Then I do a circle to form the iris, and after that I draw the lashes. Then I add a pupil and a little shine for the eye. Then I paint inside, forming a top to bottom gradient, and it's done. For the profile eye, I do a shape that looks like a triangle to form the base. And then I add the same things that I drew on the other eye. You can play with those shapes to create different types of eyes, like I'm doing in this one. For the nose, I start drawing a circle and then these lines to form the nose. After that, I draw a triangle and fill it up to do the shadows. For the profile nose, it's basically the same thing. Also, as in the eye, you can play with those forms to create different types of noses. For the mouth, I do first a line on the center and then I do kind of two letters U on both sides. After that, I do the upper and bottom lip. I like to leave a blank space in the bottom lip to do the shine. For the profile lip, I start drawing these lines to form the drawing. And then I add the upper and bottom lips just like the other drawing. Just like the eye and the nose, you can change a bit those shapes to build different lips. The eyebrow is pretty simple. You just have to draw a slightly curved line and another one a little bit more curved. After that, fill it in and it's done. For the ears, you do kind of two triangles together and then these lines and shades to form the ear. For the front profile, I start drawing a circle and then two lines in both sides, and then I connect to a point in the center to form the chin. After that, you draw these two lines to help centralize your drawing. Then you add the ears, eyes, eyebrows, nose, and mouth. Try to draw the eyes in the horizontal line that we did before. Add the final details and it's done. For the side profile, start by drawing a circle and a vertical line. To form the chin, I do another line. After that, I draw the neck and I start to build a face. Then I add the ears, eyes and everything. Add the final details and it's done. So that's the result. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.